So now we're heading up to Morton Trail. All these trails are about 2.5 kilometers, and then you got a bit of a trail to get to the main trail. So each of these loops are about 3.5 kilometers in total, maybe 4. So Morton's got a couple of different options. We're going to do the longer of the 2 different options. Well, actually, there's 3. Yeah, we're going to do the longest version. Morton, but it also takes you over to Pine Grove, and of the trails they've groomed here, Pine Grove is by far the best. If you're newer to skiing though, I'd stay over here. We're going to turn right down to the bottom of this hill. And Pine Grove is straight. We're doing right there. Morton, we'll do the inner loop. Actually, we're going to do the outer loop. So it's a total of 3.5 kilometers. See, there's plenty of snow in here. They should be grooming this. Morton's got lots of snow. Now the good news is it's getting colder after tomorrow. So if they lay the track tomorrow, it'll be here. And they can come in and groom it every day. That'd be great next weekend. Almost beer time. Yeah, we worked hard for this one. Is he still coming along? There you go. Come on, Neil. All right, we dropped it in the snow. It's still working. Anyway, it did not want to do direction track. There's a bit of a wind there, so. These are pretty challenging conditions because there's a good crosswind there. We're going into the woods now to be better. These are not our tracks. There's I think a young lady coming through on the opposite side. So she came through here as well. Morton definitely has the most snow though. Hopefully they set the tracks here. Yeah, follow mode actually works really good on the drone. The Neo works really well on mountain biking and actually skiing. Wouldn't take it on a downhill ski hill though. Active track or whatever that setting is that's supposed to follow you for directional track from the front. Don't have a lot of faith in that one yet though. Still moves around a bit, mainly because of the wind, but it does has a tendency to want to move to the side all the time. That'll get you hurried up. Good time to wait for Gord. All the hilly stuff is over. Like I said, this is the short way out. Yeah. Almost back now. So from a skiing perspective, actually Morton's actually the best one to ski unless you're looking for something that's a bit more challenging, because Pine Groves is the most challenging, but when they grew Morton, actually Morton's really good. can kind of just feel the snow starting to firm up a bit, eh? Yeah, it's very sticky. Won't be like that next week. Well, if they go ahead and groom this, it's not going to get warm enough to damage any of this stuff. It'll still be good next week if they groom it. And drips and grabs. We're back. Usually stop at one of these pavilions when we're done. It's not that bad. Good stop.